How to take profit from Tonkeeper wallet. Taking your profit from Tonkeeper wallet allows you to manage your gains and losses, and here's how you can do it. Say for example, you have already earned something from your Toncoin. Now here is what you can do. I want you to head over to buy and sell and then click that one, and then you're going to choose the sell option here at the top. Now for this one, you are going to want to use the Dreamwalkers options. So I want you to click that one. And then for later on, you can just go ahead and click this one in order for it not to show anymore. So I'm going to open it. Okay, as you can see, I currently don't have any funds. However, if you have some Toncoins, you can enter the amount you wish to withdraw here and then select your preferred currency from the options below and confirm your selection. The converted amount should appear in your bank account the next day. And as always everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.